A shocking incident in Bombela has left the community in shock after a 16-year-old Aziza Buthelezi, who went missing while running an errand to a spaza shop, was found hospitalized following an attack by 3 dogs. Aziza, daughter of Dr. Mike Buthelezi and maintenance judge Portia Buthelezi, was sent to the village in Bombela as part of a disciplinary measure due to underperformance at school in Gauteng. Her parents grounded her, taking away her cell phone, credit card, and other valuables before sending her to stay with Dr. Mike's parents. While returning from the shops with the vegetables, Aziza was attacked by 3 dogs from the household of a 48-year-old Lydia Mkanzwa. She was immediately taken to a private hospital in Nelspruit CBD, where she received prompt medical attention. Fortunately, Aziza is not seriously injured and is expected to be transferred soon to a private hospital in Sandton for further care. The search for Aziza was complicated by her inability to provide accurate information about her location in the village. But a doctor on night duty recognized her father from medical school in Cape Town, which helped authorities locate Dr. Mike. Following the attack of Buthelezi family opened a case against Lydia Mkanzwa. Police arrested Mkanzwa yesterday, the 15th of October 2025, and she remains in custody pending a bail hearing. Charges are yet to be officially confirmed. Ms. Mkanzwa expressed remorse, saying, "Mistakes happen and I am truly sorry for what happened. My gate is usually closed, but my sister's child forgot to secure it. I cannot allow my dogs to harm anyone, and I will accept whatever punishment comes my way." Dr. Mike Buthelezi thanked the community for their support. "I literally did not know that you can get arrested for having your dogs biting someone else. But anyway, we learn every day." Thank you to everyone who helped with the search. Thankfully, my princess was found alive and healthy. I will personally ensure the dog owners are held legally accountable. For now, our focus is on her healing. Police spokesperson Sergeant Kumalo, VC, confirmed the arrest, stating, "This is a high priority case. We will follow it to the end to set an example about accountability in dog attacks." The community now watches closely as the case proceeds, awaiting justice for Aziza and accountability for the dog attack. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly share the video and please don't forget to subscribe.